Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, never underestimate the power of a mother's dua. A sincere supplication from the depths of a mother's heart can change the destiny of her child, open doors that seemed locked, and protect him from dangers he could never see. Today's true story is about a young man whose life was on the path of destruction until his mother, as prayers turned his destiny around. By the end of this video, you will understand why the dua of a mother is among the most powerful weapons in the universe. Many years ago, in a small Muslim town, there was a boy named Ibrahim. As a child, he was kind and bright, but as he grew older, he fell into bad company. He began to skip prayers, wander in the streets, and mix with those who led him towards sin. His mother, a pious woman, cried every night. She tried to advise him, but he ignored her words. The people of the town whispered, "Such a shame. His mother is so righteous, yet her son is lost." But this mother never gave up. She knew the saying of the Prophet Muhammad, 3 supplications are never rejected: the supplication of a father, the supplication of a traveler, and the supplication of a parent for his child. Tamidi so. Every night in Tahajjud, she raised her hands and whispered, "Ya Allah, guide my son. Ya Allah, protect him from the fire of Jahannam. Ya Allah, make him among the righteous." One night, Ibrahim left his house to meet his friends for another sinful gathering. As he walked, he suddenly felt uneasy. His chest tightened, his heart pounded, and he couldn't shake the feeling that something was pulling him back. He sat down by the road, his mind restless, and at that very moment he overheard a Quran recitation from a nearby masjid. The Imam was reciting, "What Allah guides whom He wills to a straight path." Quran 2:213. Those words struck his heart like lightning. Tears filled his eyes. For the first time, he felt the weight of his sins. What he didn't know was that at that exact moment, his mother was at home, praying for him again. Ibrahim walked towards the masjid, trembling. He entered, sat in the corner, and listened to the Quran. His heart broke open. He whispered, "Ya Allah, forgive me. I have been blind. I don't deserve your mercy, but please, don't abandon me." That night he didn't return to his friends. Instead, he returned home and fell at his mother's feet crying, "Mother, forgive me. I want to change." Her eyes filled with tears. He smiled and said, "My son, I have been making dua for this day for years. Allah has answered me." From that day, Ibrahim's life changed. He began to pray 5 times a day, sit with scholars, and learn Quran. Slowly, his reputation transformed. People no longer whispered about his sins. Instead, they admired his devotion. Years later, Ibrahim became a respected teacher of Quran in his community. Students gathered to learn from him, and people would often say, "Subhanallah, this man was once lost, but look at him now." Truly, a mother's dua can change destiny. The story spread far and wide, inspiring countless parents never to give up on their children. My dear brothers and sisters, what lessons can we take? Never underestimate a mother's dua. Even if your child strays, keep praying. Allah hears every tear. Guidance is from Allah alone. No matter how far someone has gone into sin, Allah can bring them back in a single moment. Parents must be patient, the Prophet said. Patience is illumination. Sahih Muslim. This mother's patience and trust in Allah brought light to her son's darkness. Children must honor their parents. The Prophet said, "Paradise lies under the feet of mothers." Ibn Majah. Imagine the blessing of having a mother making dua for you every night. Never lose hope. Even when people gave up on Ibrahim, his mother never did, and Allah rewarded her. Brothers and sisters, this story proves one thing: destiny is in Allah's hands, but dua, especially from a mother, can move mountains and change the course of a life. If you are a parent, never stop making dua for your children. And if you are a son or daughter, value your parents, for their dua may be the reason you enter Jannah. May Allah bless all mothers, accept their duas, guide our children, and make us all a source of sadaqah jariyah for our parents. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi. Subhanallahi al-azim. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.